Map D. Hinduism developed and spread throughout India after the Aryans migrated there. Hinduism remains one of the world's major religions. Number 1. 1650 through 1500 BC, warlike Aryans migrate from Central Asia. Number 2. 1500 through 1000 BC, Aryans expanded across Ganges Plain. Number 3. By 1500 BC, many Dravidians migrate south as Aryans arrive. Number 5. 500 BC, Hindu kingdoms exist throughout India. And number 4. 1500 through 500 BC, Hinduism spreads throughout India. History through maps. Directions. Look at map D, Aryans and Hinduism. Then, for each pair of events below, write C next to the cause and E next to the effect. So letter A. Your two choices are Aryans migrate from Central Asia into India, and Dravidians migrate south. Which of those is the cause, and put a C, and which of those is the effect, and put an E. Letter B. Hinduism spreads throughout India. Aryans expand across the Ganges Plain. Which of those is the cause? And you put a C. And which of those is the effect? And you put an E.